Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Z-League. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Z-League app and tapping the Play section at the bottom menu. This will take you to the main dashboard. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture to open your account details. If there are any ads, skip them. Once inside, you'll see your total balance and payout balance. To increase your earnings, scroll down and check out additional options like raffles and the Invite Friends feature. These help you build your balance faster. Next, scroll up and tap the Transaction section. If asked, enter your email address and tap Continue. In this section, you will see two options, Claim and Cash Out. Tap on Cash Out, and you will be taken to a screen where you can choose your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and the address where you want to receive the funds. That's it. Your withdrawal request will be processed, and your money will be sent based on the method you selected. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Z-League. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.